Sean Uren. I'm the manager of Stellenbosch Flying Club, and I fly this aircraft called the Long EZ. It's designed by Burt Rutan in the States. It's an unusual aircraft. It's actually designed with a Canard wing, and it's got a lot of safe characteristics, but yet it's the most unusual design. So the aircraft is a two-seater aircraft, tandem design. You've got the pilot that sits in the front, and the passenger sits in the rear. The center of gravity on this aircraft sits rather far aft, pretty much on the main gear of the aircraft, which hence the reason why the nose is sitting on the ground. Okay, the configuration for flying here has got a side joystick, which is situated over here, which is then conventional with your elevator being on the front canard. And we don't have any flaps, but we have an air brake which comes out underneath the fuselage over here. So you deploy the air brake at about 80 knots, and you also then can depress both rudder pedals, which can move out both rudders at the same time, giving a lot of resistance and a recent rate of descent when you're coming into land. Right, we're at the fuel station. I think it's time to go for a flight. Let's do it. Okay, clear prop. The aircraft's got an 0360 Lycoming. It's an 180 horsepower, and the cruise speed that I get on this aircraft is 165 knots. Stall speed 48 knots, and fuel burn about 35 liters an hour.